In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change DNS on Windows 11. Changing your DNS can help improve browsing speed, reliability, and sometimes even privacy because it controls how your computer looks up website names and turns them into the numeric addresses your browser needs. We'll keep this simple and stick to the built-in Windows settings so you can follow along without any extra tools. Start by opening the Settings app. The quickest way is to press the Windows key and the letter I on your keyboard at the same time. That takes you straight to the main settings window where all of your network options live. From here, click Network and Internet. This section manages how your PC connects to the web, whether you're on Wi-Fi or plugged in with a cable. Now choose the connection you're actually using. If you're on wireless, click Wi-Fi and then your current network. If your PC is wired, click Ethernet. Picking the right one ensures you change DNS for the active connection. On the connection page, look for hardware properties. On some versions of Windows 11, it may simply say Properties. Go ahead and open that. You'll see technical details about your adapter, and near the middle you should find an entry labeled DNS Server Assignment. If it says Automatic, that means your router is choosing your DNS right now. Click Edit next to DNS Server Assignment. A small window will pop up with options for how Windows handles DNS. Change the setting from automatic to manual. This tells Windows you want to specify the DNS servers yourself. Turn on IPv4. For most home and office networks, IPv4 is all you need. If your internet provider and network are set up for IPv6, you can configure that separately later, but it isn't necessary for this change. With IPv4 enabled, enter the DNS values you want to use. As a reliable example, you can use Google DNS. In the preferred DNS field, type 8.8.8.8. In the alternate DNS field, type 8.8.4.4. Make sure you type the periods and numbers exactly. A small typo can break name lookups. When you're done, click Save to apply the change. That's it. Windows will start using your new DNS right away. You can open a browser and visit a few sites to confirm everything loads normally. If a page doesn't load, double-check the numbers you entered. And if you ever want to go back to how it was, return to the same DNS server assignment area and switch it from manual back to automatic. You've just taken control of your DNS on Windows 11, which is a quick way to fine-tune your connection without installing anything extra.